Unong thau an ka UDP na Mookaïaw ba nujor ki sungo lakher tinge yak sarkar jala na manta ka jingthe ñiut palat trok Moochutsdai West Gentle District dakaba ong ba kalong pyrshah yakamon ki paidbah habara yakani kaman hakakanta kli jingkli hakasi basaw ka dorbar mang tengka ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jala me kalya ulong ba kalong khongpong yak jingkran ba sngeu bhadhar menteri badaikmi yak tanak urban affair ulakantu yak sarkar ban weng yakani ka jinge dakba yathu ba kibriu manta kilas dang man ka ñiut sai ka benta ka surok salaro uba singau bhalang haba jubab ulong bak sarkar kan thau kalat banweng ye kichinge nakadaw ka ñiut hasur juai ulong batang suyo chaka unstang no ya kam kata ban snai ka chaka the ñiut kat kum ka jingstat sayan ulong bak sarkar kan ap ka pot naka office deputy commissioner halo kane bat banrap bak jingnum lum ñiut kadai na mar ka jingprsha de ki katu kat ni ki kanhon.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 29. A, no, sir. And B, sir does not arise in view at A above. C, sir, the plan is to procure a suitable land for the purpose of a sanitary landfill.
Mr. Speaker, sir, even though the issue has been extensively discussed and replied yesterday, but still, I would like to get some clarity from the Honorable Minister, sir. So since you already mentioned about the Moochutsdai yesterday, so I would just like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, whether the municipal department has already started using the this particular lot for dumping of garbage or not.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it has been used just as a temporary landfill only, and this last 4th of March, public hearing was conducted to be for a permanent one. So we are awaiting the report from the Deputy Commissioner for the report on which held on the 4th March. And as soon as we get the report and if everything goes well and all the norms are fulfilled, then the government will acquire the land and will process for the new landfill.
Why I'm asking this particular question, Mr. Speaker, sir? Because as per the information that I got, till date, more than 800 truck of garbage has been dumped in that particular area. Despite all the protests that has been made from the villagers, from the different section of the society, but still the department from time to time they keep on dumping the garbage in that particular area. So it is very much contradict to the statement that was made by the Honorable Minister on the 7th of March, where he said that until and unless everyone is on board, they will not go against the will of the people. But in this particular case, it is different. Despite being protested by people from time to time, even the report of on the 4th of this month also, for the public hearing, the people of that area, they are against it. But in spite of the protests, why did the department keep on dumping again and again?
So, Mr. Presently, sir, dumping in that area is presently it was stopped because a few groups were protested, and therefore we have identified for another temporary landfills. And it was in this place presently we didn't dump it anymore because there is a few groups protesting. It was right has been mentioned by the MLA member. So therefore also now we didn't dump anymore in that same place. So therefore we are waiting for a final report from the Deputy Commissioner.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I hope that the Honorable Minister will be very serious with regard to this case, and I hope that in the as fast as possible, an early dumping site, means a landfill site, will be identified so that there will not be any more problem with regard to the garbage issue in July. And why we should do it as fast as possible, sir? Because now we could only see those particular places where the people used to dump the garbage. But it was not only on those particular places where the people dump their garbage. Some friend of mine, they showed me a photo, sir, along the Salaro road, where a huge pile of garbage has been dumped. So this is really awkward, sir. So that's why I would like to request our Honorable Minister, since he is from our own district only, I would like to request him to take special attention so that the issue of garbage problem in July will be solved at the earliest possible, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we from the government, we are very serious on these issues, and we are trying to solve these issues for finding a permanent solutions at the earliest, and the important suggestion by the member has been noted by me. So we are trying as early as possible from the government side. Even now our officer is on the job from the urban official. So I think in short time we are able to solve this problem, Mr. Speaker, sir. We are very, very serious from the government side for this particular issues. We know the importance of the issue because always the government is trying to fulfill the interests of the people of the state.